everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another test and I'm going to be doing chameleon cells. So if you want to see how to do chameleon cells, then follow along, and we're just going to do a little test piece to see, because I'm hoping to get really big cells. That's what I'm hoping to get today. So follow along, let's see if it works. Come along. Okay, so I've just got a small little canvas here. It's probably, I don't know, 20 centimeters. And then I've got some colors here, just 3 colors. And then I've got some black. And I've thinned all of them down. They leave a slight trace when you pour them. They do leave a slight trace. I hope you can see that. But they are a little bit thinner than what I would usually use. Right, and then we're going to swipe with the black. Now, there's no silicone in any of these paints. We are going to be applying the silicone to the painting, but I will show you that when we get there. So let me put some gloves on and let's get started. Okay, right. Now I'm just going to be putting this paint down. It doesn't matter how. And then some of this yellow. Okay. And I can just break the colors a little bit just by doing that. It's fine. And now we're just going to tilt it to get the bulk of this paint off. And typically this is pretty as it is. Look at that. I don't want to have too much paint on the canvas, so I'm just tilting quite a bit of it off. Okay, gotta move this out the way now. Alright, hold on a sec. Because now you can't see it, can you? The table looks gorgeous. Look at that. So colorful. I'm going to keep this because there's going to be a video coming with what to do with that. I have some that is busy drying at the moment, but once it's dry, I'll show you what we do with that. To swipe over. Come on. And I'm just going to put this down and swipe. Okay, and I'm just going to tilt some of the black off the top there a little bit. I didn't really swipe very well, so I'm going to swipe it again Let's try that again quickly. Okay, go from this side now and see. Okay, now just take it down the side. Okay, that's just going to have to be okay now. Alright, so now all we're going to do is take a toothpick or a dotting tool or something that's got a little bit of a sharp point to it, and then we are just going to dip the dotting tool into some silicone, and then we are going to dot onto the canvas. And you can just, you know, one dot actually goes quite far. And you just put dots where you want cells to form, and they will automatically form as they are busy doing. And you just keep going all the way down, or like I said, wherever you want cells to form. Now apparently you can do this with dishwash liquid. I have not tried it with dishwash liquid, to be honest, but apparently you can also dilute a little bit of dishwash liquid in some water, and you can also put that on your paintings and it'll also create cells. Like I said, I haven't tried doing that yet. But you don't have to push hard. You don't want to push right through your you know, through your canvas. But you just want to break the top layers, I suppose, of paint. And just, yeah, wherever you want cells, just drop some silicone on and a cell will form. There's some pretty colors in there. The purple and the pink and orange is definitely very bright. I do like that. Yeah, it doesn't actually look like the cells are getting any bigger though. I was hoping to get bigger cells. Oh goodness, I don't know how much thinner I can make this paint because this is a lot thinner than what I usually use as it is, you know. Yeah, I might need to try this again and thin the paint even further. Yeah, I do like this. I mean, it's very pretty. I'm going to keep this. I'm not going to throw it out or anything. I'm going to keep it because I do like it. But yeah, I was hoping for bigger cells. That's very pretty. So I'm just going to Oh, there is something very strange with this glove. Hold on. You know, when you buy clothes, you go into the clothes store and you see the clothes that you like. You can go into the little back room and you can try the clothes on. But when you buy gloves online, you can't very well try them on. And these gloves are too big for me. And oh, it makes everything harder to do. And these silly gloves flopping around. Oh. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to try and put the canvas up onto the cups. So I've just, can you see? Yeah, I've just got some cups there. Excuse the mess on the table. I was in here mixing paints last night, and you know, it's still winter and it gets dark so quickly. So I was in here mixing paints and everything was fine, and then the next minute it was just dark, and I don't like the dark, so I just very quickly finished up and left. And I didn't pack anything away. I just left. So, and I've just finished work, and I thought, let me just come and give this a try and see what happens. I don't know if it's covered that. Yeah, it is. Okay, all right. I am going to come and show you what it looks like. Like I said, I don't think these cells are going to get any bigger. I think this is it. So let me bring you down and show you. So here it is. The cells are pretty big. I mean, they filled up pretty much to the next cell. So yeah, it's not bad. These are very pretty. They look like little flowers. Nice colors, very bright. Yeah, I like it. Look at that. Lovely cells. They're nice, you know, pretty cells. Pretty. Very, very nice. So there we go. You can do this with a flip cup, apparently. You can do it with a swipe. And like I said, apparently you can do it with dishwash liquid also. But yeah, that is very, very cool. So the ones that I did, where are they? Hold on. The ones that I did, I don't know if you can see them. Let me put the flash on. Okay, they're busy drying. So these cells did not grow. These cells did not grow like the one I just did. And I had to stretch these to get the cells bigger. Very pretty. They're both very pretty. But the paint was thicker with these two. So yes, the cells do grow bigger if the paint is thinner. So I'm going to try it again with thinner paint. And what else have I got here? Then this one. This one is 99% dry already. It's looking fabulous. And it's got some metallics in it and pretty colors, looking awesome. And then there's this one. It's I wouldn't touch it yet, but it does look pretty dry. Also so pretty. And then down here I've got, there's some spill, you know, the paint that came off, and I'm busy drying that so that I can show you what we're going to do with that, but it's not dry yet. So that's it, my little caravan. See, it's a mess now. Like I said, I left in a rush last night, but I've got a shelf there with my canvases in. I've got all my paints and stuff down there, and I've got my desk here where I do my paintings. This is the arm that I put the camera on. So yeah, that's that. I've got some paintings up there, and a painting up there, and paintings up there. Yeah, my little caravan. I'm so happy that I got this caravan. It's really making it so much easier for me to come and do paintings. So yeah, let's have a last look. Yeah, those cells are not getting any bigger, so that's that. This is how it's going to dry. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Okay, everyone, that's it. I will see you over the weekend. Look at that. I'll see you over the weekend when we do another painting, and yeah, it's Thursday, so not long to wait, and then we'll do a nice painting again. I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye.